ABC Systems, complete humidifying solutions. The unseen ingredient in quality, the unheard performer in every count, the relentless pace of high-speed machines, the multiple demands of different counts, evolving sartorial tastes. Spinning in the modern world is a complex melange of processes and products. Integrally woven into the fabric of this art is the work of an unseen, unheard performer. One that makes every count count. Humidification systems and solutions. The humidification system is an indispensable element of every stage of the textile industry today. It creates ideal atmospheric conditions, resulting in enhanced quality and productivity. In a typical humidification system, the conditioned air is gently delivered at the right speed, right direction and location by the sealing diffuser. This smooth laminar flow of conditioned air controls the moisture level, increases strength and luster of the processed material, maintains ideal humidity and temperature in the department, and flushes out fluff on its way out through the return air grills. This is simultaneously orchestrated by different elements in the ABC systems. Dust-laden air reaches the rotary air filter from the grill through a network of return air ducts, where it is cleaned by the plush fabric media to minimum 98% efficiency. The rotary air filters are pivotal to the functioning of an energy-efficient system, for they ensure the flow of the right air quantity. An independent traverse drive motion, a unique ABC Systems invention, offers reliable, maintenance-free performance. The fluff from the air filter is compacted and discharged by a cyclonic compactor integrated to the filter. ABC Systems fans draw air from the department through the rotary air filter. The axial flow fans are aerodynamically designed and dynamically balanced. The blades are calibrated and adjustable and made from high-strength aluminium alloy. Hot air from the air filter is blended with the right mix of fresh air by the air dampers, which in turn are controlled by the automatic controller. The opening of the dampers is determined by a database, customized to different departmental requirements. The right mix of air is processed in the air washer, resulting in air saturation at the desired level. ABC Systems washers fitted with high-pressure nozzles deliver efficient, droplet-free air into the department. Implementation is another craft altogether, for no two designs are similar. Every humidification solution must be custom designed to suit different needs. The net result is evident in the surge in performance. ABC Systems makes this achievable by infusing both intricate art and well-researched science. One of the core strengths of ABC Systems lies in its ability to deliver comprehensive solutions and its attention to detail, from foundation to finish. Its technical excellence is complemented by efficiency in service and a team of well-qualified professionals. Engineering, expertise, teamwork, adding value to the textile industry, and that only an expert knows best. Trust us. ABC Systems. Complete humidifying solutions.